Real talk.
Real talk.
Real talk is uncomfortable.
Real talk to me, it's a street term. Someone says, like, let's have real talk as like representative of being raw and real.
What did you wish you knew before you'd started?
Oh man, that list is long, it's heavy, and it's saturated with tears. What I wish I knew was that I didn't have to do everything all at once.
I really wish that I had known that I didn't have to do all the things that I did to start my business. I was going to get certifications. I was talking to lawyers and getting trademarks. I was getting official FDA labeling. And you don't have to do all of that to start your business. People have ideas all the time, and you can sell them at farmers markets. You can sell them at pop-ups. You can sell them online on Instagram. There's so many ways to get started without having to have every single piece of infrastructure. One of the things that I always give as advice is just grow as you go. You can get started from wherever you're at.
In this process of starting a business, you come into it with an idea, but it's okay to let it go, and it's okay to not be a perfectionist. And we're such perfectionists, and nobody is gonna know those little details. And between Ellen and I think we could stay up till 4 a.m. making sure everything is so perfect. But nobody is gonna know if you don't do things perfectly. Nobody is going to know if you don't put 100 things out versus 2 things out. So if I could start things all over again, although I won't, because they were great learnings, I would just take things slow and steady.
Remember to allow yourself some grace, because things aren't going to be perfect. And sometimes you will mess up. Yeah. And it's just that kind of stuff happens. And accept it and learn from it and move on.
We wish we knew that you needed a lot of capital. We continue to be a self-funded, bootstrapped small business. Getting to this point, it's still not enough. My name is Fabiola Lara, and I am co-founder and CEO of tlali Pani.
Hi, I'm Sabat Khan. I'm the co-founder of tlali Pani. I wish we knew the challenges we might run into with unexpected also issues coming up.
Yeah.
Technical questions. Business is almost as intellectual a process as doing. So there's not two different things. So I think reflecting, critically examining your own processes of how you're working and how you're dealing with people, I think has taught us a lot.
Don't listen to the haters. Don't think that every advice is good advice. Even if you think they're coming from a good place, you know yourself the best, and you should truly trust your gut in every aspect of your life and your business.
It's really common, especially in the creative realm, to be, a little self-conscious or nervous to put yourself out there. But keep making art while people are judging your art. You just got to keep moving forward, put it out there. What's the worst that happens? Someone doesn't like it. You make another one. But it really, when you put something out there and you're confident and you're good at it, people pick up on confidence. They know when something is a good quality and it comes from a great artist too. They can sense it.
People can read confidence, like when you're making decisions out, and even when you're coming down to a detailed drawing where you're just, okay, this wall is going here, that can make a $15,000, $50,000 difference in placement of something. It takes a lot of time to actually build momentum in the community, making sure that we are providing and making payrolls and building a solid foundation. It just takes a lot of effort and a lot of time.
Something that I've repeated to other business owners at different events and stuff, and ask for the sale. At the end of the day, it really is that. Ask for the sale. When you're networking and you're introducing yourself to other people, tell them what you do, tell them how you can help their business, and say, here's my business card. If you'd like to do some gift boxes through Fruit Loops, I'll give you a discount on your first order.